Okay, so hey guys, this is going to be a really simple DIY. You could use it as a calendar or a menu board. I think that's what I'm going to use mine for. But what I got is a picture frame, and you can get any size, some of the silverware, and you can get whatever size you guys want. I got the mini size. Then I use some clothespins. Again, I use the mini size, but you could use full size as well. I have some hot glue sticks, and then I have whatever background you want, and I just cut out some foam colors, and for the holidays or whatever, I'm actually going to switch these out. So make sure you follow me on Snapchat or Facebook. I will show you how I do this for every holiday. So yeah, pretty simple, and let's get started. First is we're going to flip our picture frame over. And let's take the backs off of it. This is an old picture frame I found in my garage. So, just like you do a picture, pretty simple. I didn't have all of the same color, so I'm going to do mine different. So make sure your back is on very well. We're going to flip this back over. And I'm just going to hot glue. Okay, I'm going to start by gluing my words down. Just says eat. Okay, and there we are with the top of it. Okay, so I picked these up, and I think these are like stencils or stamps or something, but I'm just actually going to glue them on because I couldn't find any weekday stickers or anything, so I'm going to use these. Okay, so I'm going to get my words out, and I'm not sure really where I'm going to put them yet. Yeah, these are like rubber stamps or something, but they'll work. I couldn't find anything. No, they won't. I'm gonna have to cut these out because they're like clear stamps. Shit. Like that. I think that's how I like them. But they were like clear stamps, so I had to cut them out of the plastic, but oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna do these clips, and what I did is I took an old earring and I just cut off the pieces that I wanted to fit on my little paper. 3 because I'm using a small paper clip, or I guess clothespin, and I just glued mine like this. You can use full size if you want, and then you know, you can just glue really whatever you want on there, but I decided to use just the little mini ones. Okay, and I'm going to hot glue my little clip. Okay, and this actually just happened to fit right in there, like pretty tight. So I'm going to use that for my papers and my pens and stuff. Okay, I got some of these papers, and there's a hole punch in them, and I'm just going to add a little ring so I can hang these up, and I'm going to write just some everyday dinners that we normally have, and then leave some blank for meal planning and stuff like that. Okay, so I have a few more of my silverware I'm going to hot glue down. I'm going to finish my little clips and put all of them down on each of my days, and I'm going to hang on the wall, and I will show you how I'm going to use it. So I hope that gives you a couple ideas, and thanks for watching. Okay, and there's my menu board. Okay, and there's my menu board.